Hello everyone. This video is about the exhibitor functionality in the Eventpedia app. When you land to a particular event, you will have, you can turn on the exhibitor module. In this case, you can see there's a tile icon. And when you come into the exhibitor module, you can, again, it's all data driven. You can group the exhibitor into types, categories, or industry. And please note, all these things you can change. You can call section, business, or industry. All these labels you can change, but there are three things that you can group them into. And if you only use one of them, it will not even show the tabbing on top. So it's really a data driven. So, and then if you see the categories or this particular industry, so you can go with, let's say you go type, you look at all the types, and then each exhibitor, we will have we call the profile image and a banner. And you can also designate certain exhibitors with like a label or banner like this, where the text and the color can be configured by you. So we have clients, they want to give some shout out to some new exhibitors, first timer, so you can check a box and then define what the color, the background color and the label will read. So in this case, I'm using Eventpedia as an example, but also the exhibitor banner can rotate here in addition to sponsor banner. So in our app, we do allow both exhibitor or sponsor, the banner can rotate, but you can define who gets to rotate, who does not. So it's highly configurable for rotating banners, or you don't even want to show rotating banner. It's all configurable by you. So if I go to exhibitor profile, you can actually see we still have the first timer here, and then you will get the we call the profile image, and inside this you can make notes, you can do bookmark, you can visit, you can say I visited, you can actually send a appointment to the exhibitor request, and then you can also take a photo of the booth, and then you will see the type, industry, category in here. We talk about description, summary, all these data boxes, the labels you can change, and 3 HTML enabled text boxes. And if you configure the booth, you can take them, the user to the floor plan of the trade show, and then you will have a contact person, the website, and all that. You can also have documents associated with the exhibitor, the flyers, and be better than that, you can also have exhibitor tied to a session or sponsoring a session, if you will. And then you can see this can actually sponsor multiple sessions if you like. And then from here, you can navigate into the session. And from the session, you can actually see the sponsoring exhibitor here as well. So you come back here, you go to a different session. And this session only sponsored by this particular exhibitor. Now, there's another thing is the exhibitor contact. You can, from our backend portal, the user can, the admin can go to exhibitors, and then every exhibitor, you will indicate, do I display rotating banner? And also remember we mentioned about you can check the boxes about this is a new exhibitor, is this a feature exhibitor, does it purchase the lead retrieval, does it participate in bingo card. You can also define where the banner, when it's clicked, does it take to a profile page inside the app or go to a particular URL, or is it read-only display rotating banner. And then you can even control how long the rotating banner will stay, duration, how many seconds. And then you can also send an email to the, because we want the exhibitor contact person to do self-servicing, to manage their content. So you can actually send an email to the contact person, and just give you an example. So the contact person will receive something like this. Dear, this exhibitor name, welcome to this event. And then, this is their license key to get in. So they will say, click on my profile. So this contact person will actually get in with this access code here. And then this person can actually get in and edit the information by the admin of the exhibitor themselves becomes a self-service model. Now, another thing you can do is in the digital side where this is for the attendee once they log in, you can see they go to exhibitor module, they can actually see like a virtual exhibit hall, and inside this, the exhibitor can actually can have view their profile, download their documents, and all these banners can be configured. They're called virtual booth decoration, and you can even play a video. So if you're really going to the backend database here, you can actually see there's a virtual booth you can manage. We only so you can manage. There are some banners. There are images and all that you can manage, decorate the virtual booth here. And when you try to assign exhibitor to a session, that can only be done by the admin. Hope this helps. We will have another video about sponsor, which is sort of similar as the exhibitor. But sponsor, you can also have many ways to provide sponsorship opportunity in the app. That will be another video. Thank you very much.